Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am going to share the recipe for chicken kebab. This is one of the easiest recipe you can make at home. Let's see how we are going to do it. First, we need to coarse grind 1 onion, capsicum 1, 4 green chilies, coarse grind it. Then you have to just strain it in a strainer. Press it with a spatula and you can remove all the excess water. We need 1 pound of minced chicken. Add the coarse ground onion chili mix. 3 tablespoons of roasted basil flour. 1 egg. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 handful of coriander leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to your taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of ground coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Mix it well with your hands and then cover it and put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Rub little oil on your hand and then mix it well, and then you can take a 1 handful of the kebab mix and make a round and flat kebab. You can make any size of the kebab which you prefer. Here I am making the size for my burger, which I can use for my lunch or dinner. Heat a saucepan and add oil that required for the shallow fry. And then you can place the kebab one by one and then shallow fry for both sides. Make sure to flip the kebab and cook the other side as well, and keep turning the sides. Once it's ready, you can remove from the pan and keep it in a plate. You can serve the kebab with your favorite chutney. Here I have the coriander mint chutney and mayonnaise and chili sauce. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye.